A very warm welcome to you. Many thanks for joining us on this week's edition of the program. We remain your source for all the latest happening in the world of business. I am Susan Ubiako and you are warmly welcome. As we indeed promised last week, we resume our special report series on cutting-edge motor insurance product in the Nigerian insurance market. Today, we speak to the Managing Director, Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC, Mrs. Mary Adenyoju, who shared some interesting innovation driving their auto insurance product, including the elevated third-party motor product that covers vehicles owners' damage for a little extra premium. Let's take a listen.
And then, of course, the CHI Prime. The CHI Prime is another product that we have, which is actually a third-party package, but enhanced in the sense that there's an extended cover for accidental damage to your own vehicle, to up to the extent of 2.5 million naira. You just pay an extra premium for it.
We will also take a stop at Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC, where technology is at the core of their auto insurance product.
Using technology. As our clients, you don't need to come all the way to Sovereign Trust. Just with the click of a button, you can get in touch with us. So that you call us, we document whatever you want to do with us, then we roll it out and send via mail to you, or anyhow you want it delivered. We can dispatch it to you, but majorly we use technology.
What more can I say than to urge you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the lineup. Details shortly. Please stay with us.
The General Insurance Company of the Year. And the nominees are
General Insurance Company of the Year. Here are the nominees: Leadway Assurance Company Limited, Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC, NEM Insurance PLC, Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC, International Energy Insurance PLC.
And the winner is Leadway Assurance Company Limited.
We thank the organizers. We thank God who has helped us all this 50 plus years, and we are here to stay. Thank you to our customers. Thank you to our partners. Thank you to everyone in the industry.
A variety of breakthrough technologies are fundamentally transforming the insurance industry globally, and Nigeria is no exception. Today, in the insurance landscape, you hear of technological innovations such as cloud computing, the Internet of Things, telematics, artificial intelligence, etc. These technologies are providing new ways for insurers to measure, control, price risk, engage with their customers, reduce costs, improve efficiency, and expand insurability. These technologies are also enabling the creation of new insurance products, services, and business models for the benefit of the customers. Traditional insurers are innovating through technology and reinventing their products and services to meet the ever-changing needs of the 21st century customers. One of the fundamental areas where technology and innovation is revolutionizing the business of insurance in Nigeria is in the auto space. Most insurance companies have left no stone unturned at innovating their motor insurance products to ensure that their customers have a wonderful experience from start to finish in the event of a loss. We present some of the leading insurance companies in the Nigerian insurance market with cutting-edge motor insurance products.
Our motor insurance for CHI, we have innovated in a way that we have our motor third party online, and I make bold to say that I think we're the first insurance company to go online with our motor third party. We've had that for several years now. So our clients can actually buy our motor third party from our website. So they just go to www.chiplc.com to buy their motor third party seamlessly without any form of human interruption. We've done that. We also have two other products. We have our CHI Auto Max and we have our CHI Prime. Right. The Auto Max is actually not a third party, it's a comprehensive that has a combo of a health package and a life package. So now these two policies are like freebies that we have attached to the comprehensive cover for free, or actually for our HNIs, for those who have some insured at a particular threshold. And the good thing about this additional package that we have added to the comprehensive is that it's transferable. You can transfer it to your house help, you can transfer it to your driver, you can transfer it to your child, you can transfer it to your relative, so you can get all of that as well. And then, of course, the CHI Prime. The CHI Prime is another product that we have, which is actually a third-party package, but enhanced in the sense that there's an extended cover for accidental damage to your own vehicle, to up to the extent of 2.5 million naira. You just pay an extra premium for it. So these are some of the little innovations that we have brought into our motor insurance product in CHI. I think that some of the reasons why any client would prefer to pick CHI, or I would prefer to pick CHI, or somebody else prefer to pick CHI motor product above other insurance companies in the market, is that our processes are very seamless. The insurance citizens of today don't want any form of stress. It's very seamless. If you go to our website, in 5-10 minutes, you are done with your transaction, either in form of purchasing or even processing your claims, as it were. So that sets us apart. And we also have good payment channels. We have alternative payment channels, almost like 6-7 of them. You can pay using Flutterwaves. You can pay. There's so many payment channels that we have that makes it very easy, very seamless. And our service delivery too also sets us apart, because if you give us, I like to want to use claim, to describe the kind of service that we offer, because that is the true test of insurance. So when you have a claim and you get across to us in 24 hours, CHI is reverting back to you, especially when it has to do with our motor products. You can do that, and that's why I just mentioned earlier that we have the motor third party online. We can do that, and we do that for comprehensive as well. So you can actually upload all of the information that you need, to be able to access or buy the policy in record time. We have that. We have that. It's so simple that if you're buying online, we have a process online that you can actually go there and onboard your claims, right, through the claims process. And then as soon as you do that reporting of the claims, it hits the back end. The back end immediately will send you something like an automatic reply, which you're going to get saying that we're looking at the claims, and then you can upload all of the claim supporting documents and then begin to track your claims. At every point where the claim is being treated, you can track it like you track your visa. You can do that on our website at the www.chiplc.com. You can track all of that up to the point when your payment is ready and then your transfer is done to your account, because as you fill all those documents, you're also going to impute your account details. So all of that is done. You can get that on our website without any form of human interaction. People say that because they don't understand the concept of insurance, Insurance is actually a pool business. It's a business where a group of persons come together to contribute money into a pool, and it is assumed that a certain number of people will suffer losses, and those losses will be paid from that pool, So, but unfortunately, because people don't have, they don't have that awareness, or they don't have an understanding of the way insurance works, they complain. However, we still have, go out of our way to ensure that those who don't suffer losses for some time enjoy some form of benefits. In the past, we have what we call NCD, no claim discounts, which we give to clients. But of course, all that has been eroded in the market. But we go out of our way to still do things like training. We still give incentives. So we take time to do what we call customer loyalty days once in a year. So we go to our customers. We have some recordings, which if I had known before now, I probably would have maybe asked the e-business department to bring those recordings where we go to give them gifts, to appreciate them for running their businesses for some time without claims. It means that, their moral hazard is at zero level, and all of that. We do all of that to appreciate them. And then we go the extra mile to give free training, especially to corporates, to say, oh, thank you very much for running your business profitably. We'll come and train your drivers. And some of the drivers that have done very well in the corporate, we give them cash incentives as well, to encourage them, and to continue to drive their cars safely, so the other ones can see what they are getting and emulate, their good behavior. At that way, we're able to keep our claims portfolio, in a good position. Okay, I think it's a good initiative, very good initiative. The Nigerian police, NICOM and NIA are collaborating together to see how we can enforce the use of auto third-party insurance. And of course, you can see that our insurance penetration is very poor. In a country that has over 200 million citizens, and we're looking at 0.3%. It's not good for us at all. So I just want to encourage all of us, both industry practitioners, to see how we can join hands together and collaborate with all of these bodies to ensure that this mission is successful. Because if it is good, it is good for all of us. The industry will grow. We'll all have monies in our pockets, and we'll be able to give better services ultimately to our clients. And the image of this industry will also improve. So I think it's a laudable initiative, and we should all key into it.
Just as the name implies, motor insurance is the insurance taken by motorists to cover their vehicles. And in Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC, we are very innovative, we are responsive, and very flexible in our dealings with motor insurance. Dealing with our customers, we have this customer-centric policy in place that our customers are kings. So whatever we're doing, we put them in our shoes, we empathize with them. So if there is anything that we need to do to make life easy for our policyholders, we go ahead to do it. And how do we really do that? We do it using technology. As our clients, you don't need to come all the way to Sovereign Trust. Just with the click of a button, you can get in touch with us. So that you call us, we document whatever you want to do with us, then we roll it out and send via mail to you, or anyhow you want it delivered. We can dispatch it to you, but majorly we use technology to leverage on motor insurance. Sorry. We are all in the market to sell insurance products, motor insurance being major part because of its compulsory nature and its tariff rated. And why are we apart? Why do we stand out? We are able to stand out because of technology, majorly technology. Then we have this belief in Sovereign Trust that our customers are our kings. They are the one feeding us one way or the other. And because we know that so many things are going for the same money with our policyholder. Let me explain that. We have limited, people have limited resources with them. And in these resources, it is those that are in their faces that they will be able to remember. So we are always out there marketing Sovereign Trust Insurance in order for the industry, the insurance company to know us, that Sovereign Trust Insurance exists, and by so doing, we are able to stand out in whatever we do. And the sales of motor insurance is somehow easy for us because of our people. We have good people that sells, and the relationship we have with our clients is another good selling point for us. Sure. At Sovereign Trust Insurance, we don't really disturb our customers. As a customer, you can always get in touch with us via our website, our info service. Then you can get in touch with us via our hotline. You call us, and we have responsive officers, customer service section that are very up to date, and they're very fast in whatever they do. So you don't need to come here physically before we can attend to you. Starting from asking question, you are seeking quotation, is just a call away from wherever you are. Just put the call through. You want a quotation on any insurance policy, we are ready to give it to you. Online read time, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. We are ready to give that to you. You just need to call. And when you call, we do anything we need to do. We ask you questions, necessary questions on the policy you are seeking for. Then we send necessary documents to you to fill, majorly our KYC, request for some document from you. For instance, you want motor insurance, we request for your driver's license, the KYC, the papers of the vehicle. Then, before you know what is happening, we roll out our certificate. In less than 15-20 minutes, you have the certificate. If you are able to give us documentation on time, everything online, you don't need to come. Same thing goes for claims. When there's any issue, maybe there's an accident, as against just fighting on the road. As a motorist, we see them everywhere, the way they fight, exchanging blows, women slapping each other just because you hit my car, and I will not allow you to go. You don't hit my car, you go respected, you know all those things, I will not allow you to go. So instead of that, just check the NID, Nigerian Insurance Industry Database. You check it. If this vehicle is registered, if it's taken in, as in it's genuine, the motor certificate you have is genuine, just call on us. If our client is the one is the negligent party, we take care of you. The client can call the the aggrieved party can send a message to Sovereign Trust. It's just for us to confirm from our client what happened. Document it, write it out. You can use your phone, just type and send it to us, and everything will be settled. From notification to inspection, we can even do inspection online. How do we do that? You get your phone, you can do video call with us, we see what is happening. Depending on the gravity of the accident, see what is happening. If it's something that can be adjusted right there, we can look at it, send to the inspection, the engineering aspect, as in the survey. We check it out through the market. We can do market survey. What's the cost of this item? Then we can quickly settle you. And even as a client, you have a limit that you can repair your vehicle before getting to us. You just need to snap the picture, you give us estimates of repairs. Then you negotiate with your client, pay your client, then we will get in touch and pay you back. So it's a seamless process. It's just a phone call away. Very easy. Is as easy as ABC, or as simple as ABC. Notify us. But you need, before notification, you need to confirm that what you are carrying is genuine. The vehicle, the certificate of insurance that you have is genuine. If it's from us, notify us of a claim. This thing has happened. It happened so date. It shouldn't be more than 30 days before you notify us of the claim, because you have claim notification clause in the policy. So you need to notify us on time for us to verify. And if there is anything that we need to do before then, we check it out. You know, if time has passed, sometimes you won't get the facts of the loss or the accident that has happened. So when you are able to notify us on time, we do everything. It can even be online. Just a phone call, a text message to your agents, through your brokers, or if you want to walk in, you walk in. But we don't really appreciate you coming in like that, because we know time is of essence. We want you as our clients to, while you have insurance with us, you have other things that you need to do. So you're coming to report your claim may take away the time that you need for any other thing. Just send it on phone. Use your phone, use your email address, send to us, and every form of adjustment will be done. Then your claim will be processed. Thank God we have online transfer. We can transfer online, electronic transfer. That's what we do majorly. Once the claims administrator is through with the adjustment of the claim, sent to finance section. Finance will take it up, look at it, verify what they need to verify, and transfer your money to you, the claim amount to you. So it's a seamless process with us in Sovereign Trust.
That's the time on the program this week. Join us same place, same time next week for a fresh package in this Women's Month. Do feel free, as always, to connect with us on all our social media platforms. My name is Susan Obiako. Until next time, happy International Women's Day to all of the amazing women out there. Keep shining as we collectively accelerate action for gender equality. Have a great day. Goodbye.